permission, you can push and start. Report ready to taxi.
Okay, clear for push and start. We'll call you for taxi. Blue World 3501. Push tower Blue World 3501, ready to taxi.
Blue World 3501, taxi Sierra 60, report before whiskey.
Okay, taxi Sierra 60, we'll call you before whiskey. Blue World 3501. Blue World 3501, approaching whiskey.
Blue World 3501, report approaching Sierra 2.
Call you approaching Sierra 2, Blue World 3501. World 3501, may should I talk with Blagnac Tower or is it with you?
Blue World 3501, you can keep with me until Sierra 2.
Thank you.
Report approaching Sierra 2, thank you.
Thank you. Blue World 3501 approaching Sierra 2.
Blue World 3501, hold short before Sierra 2 and contact Blagnac Tower 118.1. Thank you very much and have a very nice flight.
181, thank you very much. Take care, my friend. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blagnac Tower, bonjour. Blue World 3501, Sierra 2.
Whiskey Fox, Lima 3501, bonjour, from Sierra 2, cross runway 32 left, and confirm departure via Mike 2 or November 1.
Mike 2 is okay for us, clear to cross runway 32 left, Blue World 3501.
Copy, so 2,300 meters available, from Mike 2, runway 32 right, line up and wait.
Okay, line up and wait from Mike 2, runway 32 right, Blue World 3501.
Blue World 3501, clear takeoff 32 right, wind 320 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear for takeoff 32 right, Blue World 3501.
Blue World 3501, you're identified, climb level 140, turn left directively.
Continue climb flight level 140 directively, Blue World 3501.